Before we go any further, as you're dining in one of Scotland's oldest castles, Eve Castle has arranged a little surprise for our gentlemen. It's a little Scottish surprise. And all you have to do is lean back, put your hands together one more time. Let's welcome the Haggis! Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Now, folks, for the next few minutes, I'm going to need a little bit of hush. You see, we have many great traditions in Scotland, and one of them is, before you lucky people who are eating the haggis, it must be addressed. And it can only be addressed in the words of a wonderful poem. It was written by our national bard, Robert Burns. So for the Scots who are among us, you all know what to expect. I don't know, do you have any Sassenach friends? No? Now, sir, did you manage to clamber over Hadrian's Wall okay to be with us today? No. If you have, the journey was worth it. Just stand by for a wee treat. I give you the address to the Haggis by Robert Burns. And he did never make it one either.
What be your honest son's face? Great chieftain o' the flooded race. Abin them all ye take your place. Faint striper fair, and weel are you worthy o' a grace. As flaggers mat air. The groaning senseless men full. You're hurting like a distant hill. Your pen would help you mend a mill in time of need, and through the pore the dews distill, like amber bead. This night, they rustic labour deck, and cut you up with ready slip. Trenton, your gushing angels breakfast on the deck. And then, with a glorious sight, warm. Aye, and rich. On the streets and stride, deal take the hindmost on the drive. Till all the real swell catch me alive their bed like drums. And I get men, respect your eyes. Respect your tongues. Is there, the target French ragout, an olio, that would stow a stew, a fricassee, that would make a spew with perfect colour. Look soon, we sneering, scornful you on sick of dinner. Now we're at the start, family folk. You're not going to believe this. Some people don't like it. Now, Rabbi had a few words to say about them, but I'm going to need a hand for this. Gentlemen, can I get you to the table, please? Here's the whole see them on the track. It's feckless. It's a weather craft. There's special shanks against for class. They're deep in it. The bloody floods and fields to dash. But mark, the rustic haggis fed, the trembling earth resounds his tread. Ah, but it's only never played till back at hustle. Your powers won't make mankind your care. And this the route, there's bills fair. All Scotland wants this kinkin way of Dr. Murray's. But if you wish, I'm great. You have.
Ladies and gentlemen, we come to the best part now. It's the excuse for a drown. But before we do so, before we ask the piper to do the special toast, and once again, the best of attention, folks, we are going to give you a small gift for both of you. It's something that maybe you'll help remember us by. And if you're going to do a wee toast, what's the better way to do your toast than do it with your own Highland Quaid? And gentlemen, we're going to get them. We need something special in the Quaid. Now, gentlemen, we have here Scotland's national drinking cup, the Highland Quaid. It's the cup of welcome. It's also the cup of sharing. And I hope, gentlemen, you will share this lovely cup and bring back happy memories. And I'll say it later. Ladies and gentlemen, grab your glasses. We're going to ask the piper now to toast the haggis. Flag. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. The haggis is now leaving the room.